Hey, fourth grade. So I got your feedback from last week's lesson, and I realized that most of my videos have been a little cringy. So I'm going to make this one a little more normal. And if you have any ideas for how to make this more interesting or fun for you, send them my way because I like doing fun stuff. Now, this question asks you to sketch a 30-degree angle. Sketch means like estimate about how big that would be, because you don't have a protractor at home that you could use to draw exactly a 30-degree angle. So instead, we're just gonna have you sketch about how big that should be. You're gonna use something, you should be using something called benchmarks to get as close as you possibly can to 30 degrees. Benchmarks are the angle sizes that you already know. Now, at this point, you should all know what a 90-degree angle looks like. So that's the first benchmark that you should use. You know that a 90-degree angle looks like this. So if you had to draw a 30-degree angle, you know that a 30-degree angle has got to be smaller than this 90-degree angle. But there's even more benchmarks that you can use. If you imagine splitting this 90-degree angle in half, half of 90 is 45 degrees. So I sketched a 45-degree angle right here that you can see. That's about half of a 90-degree angle. Since you had to sketch a 30-degree angle, you can imagine it's a little bit smaller than this. If that's 45 degrees, we want 30. We have to go somewhere below this to get 30 degrees. But guess what? You can use an even better benchmark. Since we need to draw a 30-degree angle, imagine a 90-degree angle split up into 3 equal parts. If I split up 90 into 3 parts, I would have 30 and 60, like you can see in this drawing right here. So since you had to draw a 30-degree angle, you can imagine that's about 1/3 of a 90-degree angle would make 30 degrees. So your angles in your drawing should look kind of like my 30-degree angle right here.